Hey everyone, welcome to CompleteFactsOnline.com. In this video, we invite you to explore the fascinating world of the human body with 38 mind-blowing and bizarre facts you've never heard before. From strange abilities to unbelievable quirks, this video will leave you in awe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to never miss any of our amazing content. Let's get started. Number 1. You're taller in the morning. Did you know that you're actually taller in the morning? Throughout the day, gravity compresses the cartilage in your spine and knees, making you slightly shorter. Interestingly, astronauts experience the opposite effect in space, growing a few inches taller due to the lack of gravity. Number 2. Powerful teeth. Contrary to popular belief, human teeth are as powerful as shark teeth. Our teeth are uniquely adapted to handle a variety of tasks, from biting and chewing food to maintaining our overall oral health. Number 3. The fattiest organ. Your brain. Your brain, the fattiest organ in your body, is composed of about 60% fat. It requires essential fatty acids for optimal performance, as imbalances could lead to neurological diseases like ADHD, Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, and depression. So, appreciate your fat operating system upstairs for maintaining your body's well-being. Number 4. Time spent on the toilet. Over the course of a lifetime, the average person spends approximately 1 whole year sitting on the toilet. This staggering fact highlights the significant amount of time we dedicate to this daily activity. Number 5. Bacterial diversity in the belly button. The average person's belly button hosts an astonishing array of bacteria, with around 67 different types. This microbial diversity highlights the complex ecosystem that exists within our navels. Number 6. Brain changes in new parents. Having a baby can lead to changes in the brain, with new mothers experiencing reduced gray matter in areas involved in social signals and processing. Surprisingly, recent research shows that fathers also undergo brain shrinkage in regions related to executive functioning and visual processing. These changes are considered normal and likely serve to enhance different parenting roles. Embrace the phenomenon known as baby brain. Number 7. Cognitive decline. At 24, research indicates that cognitive speed starts to decline at the age of 24, with a study of 3,305 individuals between ages 16 and 44 showing a 15% decrease every 15 years. If you're approaching 40, you may notice a slight delay, but remember that your fastest days are behind you. Number 8. Ears. A constant growth. Contrary to popular belief, your ears never stop growing. Throughout your life, your ears continue to grow, albeit at a slow rate. So, embrace the fact that your ears are always evolving. Number 9. Bone fusion. Decreasing bones as you grow. Babies are born with approximately 300 bones, but as they grow, the number decreases to around 206. This is because infant skeletons are composed of smaller bones and more cartilage, which fuse together over time. So, the bones aren't disappearing. They're simply joining forces. Number 10. Saliva production. On a daily basis, your mouth produces approximately 1 liter of saliva. This vital fluid aids in digestion, helps to moisten food, and maintains oral health by fighting bacteria and preventing tooth decay. Number 11. Feet. A quarter of your bones. Despite their small size, your feet contain 26 bones each, totaling 52 bones. This accounts for approximately 1/4 of the bones in your entire skeletal structure, with numerous joints, ligaments, and different types of bones. Your feet deserve respect, even if they are ticklish. Number 12. Daily fart production. On average, the amount of gas expelled through farting in a single day is enough to fill a party balloon. This natural bodily function helps release excess gas from the digestive system. Number 13. The strongest muscle, the jaw. The masseter or jaw muscle is the strongest muscle in the human body. Capable of exerting a force of up to 200 pounds when closing the teeth, a healthy jaw demonstrates impressive strength. So snacking can be considered a form of strength training for your jaw. Number 14. Nail growth, fingers versus toes. Fingernails grow about 3 times faster than toenails. This is because the hands have more blood flow due to their proximity to the heart, which promotes nail growth. Additionally, fingernails grow slower in colder weather when blood flow is restricted. Number 15. Grower versus shower. The terms grower and shower refer to the size changes of a penis when aroused. Some penises experience noticeable size increases, while others remain relatively unchanged. Growers tend to be younger men, suggesting that one can age into being a shower. Number 16. Changing vaginal size. It's not just men who experience changes in genital size. Research reveals that vaginal depth can range from 2.7 to 3.1 inches, but during sexual arousal, it can increase to a range of 4.3 to 4.7 inches. So while men are growers and showers, women have their own depth variations. Number 17, stomach acid's power. The digestive juices in the stomach, containing hydrochloric acid, are potent enough to dissolve certain metals like zinc. In fact, gastric acid falls just below battery acid on the pH scale. It can even partially break down razor blades, although copper remains unaffected. Keep some Tums handy just in case. Number 18, peristalsis. Constant intestinal movement. The grumbling noises from your stomach are a result of peristalsis, the continuous wavy movement of the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract. This movement aids in digestion and is responsible for the wave-like motion happening in your gut. Number 19, self-induced goosebumps. Goosebumps occur when tiny muscles called erector pili contract, causing the hairs on your skin to stand up. This reaction, known as piloerection, can be triggered by cold or sensory stimuli. Interestingly, a small number of individuals have the ability to consciously contract these muscles and give themselves goosebumps on command, like a peculiar party trick. Perhaps this is what R.L. Stine was inspired by it all along. Number 20, bioluminescent humans. Humans are bioluminescent, emitting light similar to glowworms and fireflies. This is due to a metabolic reaction involving cell respiration and the production of free radicals. Although the human eye can't detect this light, ultra-sensitive cameras have captured it. Interestingly, the glow is strongest in the afternoon and brightest in areas like the cheek, forehead, and neck. Number 21, gendered blinking rates. Women blink about twice as often as men, with an average rate of 19 blinks per minute compared to 11 for men. Estrogen, a hormone that affects cornea elasticity and light transmission in the eye, is believed to play a role in this difference. As estrogen levels decrease, the blinking rate in women also decreases. So if your spouse blinks more frequently, it's not necessarily flirtatious. It may just be due to differences in estrogen levels. Number 22, gender differences in coffee sensitivity. Men tend to be more sensitive to caffeine than women, possibly due to sex hormones like estrogen. Studies have shown that men have a stronger response to regular coffee containing 100 mg of caffeine, while women may react more to decaf coffee. Higher estrogen levels in women have also been linked to a decreased sensitivity to caffeine. So remember this when discussing tiredness and coffee with women. It's not their fault if caffeine doesn't have the same effect. Number 23, liver regeneration. A remarkable ability. The liver is the only organ in the human body capable of regenerating itself. Even after losing up to 90% of its mass, the liver can still grow back. This unique ability explains why liver donors only need to give up a portion of their organ, as it will naturally regenerate. Just like Matthew McConaughey in Dazed and Confused, the liver just keeps on living. Number 24, pus, a sign of healing. Although pus may be unpleasant, it serves as an important indicator that your body's immune system is functioning properly. This gross, white, and sometimes colored substance is a buildup of white blood cells, demonstrating an effective response to infection. While major surgery may require medical attention for pus, in smaller injuries, it is a sign of successful healing. Number 25, identical twins, share its scent. In addition to sharing DNA, identical twins also share a distinct scent. Swiss researchers found that the scents of identical twins are 10 times more similar compared to non-related individuals. This similarity in body odor is believed to be rooted in genetics, meaning even dogs might struggle to tell twins apart. Number 26, discovering new human species. Despite our knowledge of 21 human species, new discoveries are still being made. In 2018, the Homo longi was unearthed, and scientists have also found hybrids, like the girl known as Denny, with a Neanderthal mother and Denisovan father. While your screaming toddler may not appear to fit into any specific species, they are considered a Homo sapien. Number 27, earwax, a type of sweat. Contrary to what you may think, earwax is not just a random substance. It is actually a type of sweat called cerumen. This sticky substance helps to protect and lubricate the ear canal. Number 28, taste buds, the key to flavor. The tongue is an incredible organ, covered in approximately 8,000 taste buds. Each taste bud contains up to 100 cells that work together to help you taste and savor the flavors of your food. Number 29, the untiring heart. Among all the muscles in the human body, the heart stands out. It is the only muscle that never tires, working tirelessly to pump blood throughout the body, ensuring our survival and well-being. Number 30, regenerating skin. 1,000 skins. The surface of your skin is continuously renewing itself. In fact, the entire surface of your skin is replaced approximately every month, meaning you have about 1,000 different skins throughout your lifetime. Number 31, sweat pores. Abundant. In number, the human body is equipped with approximately 2.5 million sweat pores. These tiny openings on the skin play a crucial role in regulating body temperature and eliminating waste through perspiration. Number 32, shedding dead skin cells. Incredibly, we continuously shed dead skin cells. On average, every minute, we lose over 30,000 of these cells from the surface of our skin, making way for fresh, new skin cells to take their place. Number 33, the weenus, nature's stress ball. The extra skin on your elbow, known as the weenus, has fewer sensory neurons, making it a perfect stress ball. You can pinch and knead your weenus as hard as you want without feeling much discomfort. However, be cautious during other activities to avoid elbow injuries. Number 34, lung asymmetry. An intriguing fact about our lungs is that the left lung is approximately 10% smaller than the right lung. This natural asymmetry in size allows for the accommodation of other structures within the chest cavity. Number 35, extensive blood vessels. The blood vessels in an adult, if stretched end to end, would measure approximately 60,000 miles or 90,000 kilometers. This astounding length is equivalent to circling the Earth at the equator about 2.5 times. Number 36, active brains. During sleep, contrary to what one might think, the brain can be more active during sleep than when we're awake. During sleep, our brains engage in crucial processes like memory consolidation and dreaming, showcasing the brain's remarkable activity during rest. Number 37, the heart's lifetime beats. Throughout an average lifetime, the human heart beats more than 3 billion times. This remarkable rhythmic activity sustains our existence, pumping blood tirelessly to every part of our body. Number 38, brain survival after death. Contrary to previous beliefs, the brain can survive for hours, if not days, after the heart stops beating. While a person is considered legally dead when the heart ceases, the brain and other organs can still be preserved before irreversible damage occurs. This knowledge has led scientists to focus on combating the secondary death process in medicine. It's worth noting that some individuals have been declared dead but later revived, supporting the occurrence of near-death experiences. While this concept may be complex for children, it offers hope that future advancements may prolong brain function. So, you may have the opportunity to share these fascinating facts with your great-great-great-grandchildren someday. We hope you enjoyed discovering these 38 strange and weird facts about the human body. If you found them as fascinating as we did, consider subscribing to our channel for more captivating content. Don't miss out on future videos where we explore the incredible world of science and uncover even more mind-blowing discoveries. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of curious minds. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious!